Preserving our environment is a constant, tenacious and difficult battle. At Pilot, we relentlessly innovate and get involved for the planet. Producing pens in a world where plastic waste is an ecological disaster represents a real technological and human challenge, which is why all our actions drive us to do better. Better by transformation. Recycle. Keep the use of plastic to the minimum. Since 2006, we have favoured recycled plastic in production of our pens. The Be Green range is the first range of pens in the world made of at least 70% recycled plastic and up to 90% for B2P, which is made from plastic water bottles. By using recycled plastic in the production of a B2P gel ink, we cut the CO2 impact of the pen by 36.9%. Better by limitation. Reduce. Less plastic in our packaging. We have been reducing the weight of plastic in our blister packaging for years. In 2020, we established a 100% recyclable packaging format for the Pilot Be Green range. We have created completely recyclable packaging by switching from plastic to paper for our e-commerce range. Better by evolution. Refill. Change the ink, not the body. Over 60% of our products are refillable. It forces us to rethink the way we consume because it promotes the use of the same product several times instead of throwing it away. By refilling a B2P gel ink 3 times, you can reduce the CO2 impact by 50% compared to the single use of 4 pens. Caring for men and women while preserving natural resources is a major issue for us, and we are very proud that 100% of our employees are committed to our environmental approach. Write your world. Pilot.